manyien mag migago chankore sani. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kod jalupne Rigathi Gachagua otelone jo Kenya nyasi mar alamo kinyi makawuono gi thor wach mar chwalo geno ne jopiny e kinde ma midhiero osekwako jopiny kaachiel kod ywaruok e paw siasa. Spika mar Senate Amason Kingi owacho ni nyasi makama ok owinjo tim mana dichiel to med ni odiochieng' mowinjo bed ni itime. Jalup jatend piny to kod jatend piny noketo tenge weche mag siasa ma osebedo kawachore ni jotelo ariyogo ni kod pogruok e kindgi. Jatend pinje mamoko bende ne oyuoro e nyasino mar alam.
We are privileged to be leaders in Kenya at this time. And it is true that we understand, all of us, what the challenges are and what we need to do. I ask all of us to have the courage to do the right thing, however difficult it is. It is the only way we can pull our country and take our country into the future. I am very confident that working together in that manner and without minding whether this constituency belongs to a member of parliament who is in government or in the opposition, we are all one nation. Our target is to make sure that every child in Kenya has an opportunity, because we want to enhance the number of people who have incomes.
All Kenyans were monitoring what you are doing in the States. And there is something that you're doing there that created problems to many husbands across the country. When you are walking there holding the hand on the First Lady, it put us back here under a lot of immense pressure. Your Excellency, our spouses, led by mine, Pastor Dorcas, were demanding that we emulate the president and hold their hand wherever we go. Mine, and you know she's a pastor, even went beyond that. I walk her to the car. She was even saying around the house I hold her hand.